Hey teachers! This year's TI National Codes Contest is a great opportunity for your students in years 7, 8, 9 or 10. The theme for this year's competition is food. Students work in teams of 2 to 4 together with a teacher mentor. To enter the first round of the competition, the team needs to identify an everyday process or product related to food that they want to optimize or a problem that they want to solve. In 2,000 characters or less, each team can pitch their ideas online. It's free to enter and there's actually no coding experience required. It's all about big picture thinking and creativity. So encourage your students to have a go. I'm sure they'll learn some new skills and have fun along the way. And they could actually win the whole competition and win prizes for your school. Good luck!